Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to generate Salesforce refresh token. If you have a requirement where you wanted to generate Salesforce refresh token, then you can make use of the steps we are going to discuss in this video. The first step is we have to create a connected app. For this demo, I am using https login.salesforce.com as the callback URL. Make sure this particular property is disabled, and also in the selected OAuth scopes, make sure perform requests at any time refresh token, offline underscore access is selected. Once the connected app is done, click the manage consumer details and get the consumer key and secret. You have to generate this particular URL to open it in your browser. It should be your Salesforce my domain URL /services /OAuth2/authorize, and in the parameters we have to send a response underscore type as code. Client ID should be your Salesforce consumer key, and the redirect URI should be the callback URL that was used in the connected app. Once you open this particular link in your browser, it will open your callback URL, and then it will give you a code. Get this code. Here the tricky part is this %3d. This is equal to. In URL, if we use equal to, it will convert that into %3d. So when you make a post request to your my domain Salesforce URL /services /OAuth2/token, here you have to set the grant type as authorization underscore code. In the client ID, you have to pass your Salesforce consumer key from the connected app, and in the client secret, you have to pass Salesforce consumer secret. So you have to pass a consumer key in the client ID and consumer secret as the client secret. And in the code, you have to pass the code which we got it by generating this URL, and we were able to open it. So for example, here if I open this URL, it will generate the code, and we have to use this code when we do the post request. So here the code, and after that you have to use double equals to, because %3d and %3d is equal to in the URL. Now if you make this post request, it will give access token and as well as the refresh token. So if you have a requirement to instantly generate refresh token in Salesforce, then you can make use of this steps. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.